Hello and welcome, Victor here from Crewe. Today I'm delighted to show you around this mini hatch 2.0 John Cooper Works. Finished in sleek black with striking red roof and mirror caps and powered by 2-litre petrol engine delivering 231 PS through manual transmission, this hot hatch offers exhilarating and dynamic driving experience. This mini styling is instantly recognizable with bold LED headlights, aggressive aerodynamic kit and bonnet scoop in body color for added drama. The red roof and mirror caps give this mini a distinctive contrast. The 18-inch alloy wheels are a perfect match for the sport suspension, enhancing agility and grip. At the back, the features include Union Jack LED taillights, subtle John Cooper Works roof spoiler, and centrally mounted twin chrome exhaust. Despite the compact footprint, the mini hatch provides practical boots suitable for daily needs or weekend adventures, and the 60/40 split folding rear seats add flexibility. In the back, passengers enjoy supportive seating with ISOFIX mounts and adjustable headrests. Step inside the front and the John Cooper Works sport seats provide excellent lateral support trimmed with premium materials and contrast stitching. The optional front center armrest and storage compartment pack boost practicality, while the mini excitement pack and interior light pack add flair with configurable ambient lighting. The John Cooper Works leather steering wheel is multifunctional and perfectly contoured with audio and cruise control buttons for convenience. The Media Pack XL brings an upgraded display with enhanced navigation and mini connected services. This example benefits from optional automatic dual-zone climate control, keeping both driver and passenger comfortable with tailored settings. The infotainment system offers media and radio with crisp DAB sound, as well as enhanced Bluetooth and USB audio for easy streaming and hands-free calls. You also get navigation with upgraded 3D mapping from the Media Pack XL, as well as connectivity via Mini Connected, giving access to apps and services. There are also plenty of settings and vehicle information menus for full personalization. This has been a presentation of the Mini Hatch 2.0 John Cooper Works, now available at Crewe. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.